Into the verse, he who kills a person with no due right, not because of retaliation, or it's not because of spreading mischief of the land, then if he does that without due right, then he's like he killed everybody. So if you made it lawful for yourself to kill a person with no due right, it's like you have made it lawful for you to kill everybody. There's no difference in between one or another person. That's how it is. And then the second one, وَمَنْ أَحْيَاهَا فَكَأَنَّمَا أَحْيَا النَّاسَ. And he who makes it live, then you have gave life to everybody. So this person, when he, as a person, have the creed and he believes that it is haram for him to kill a person, he had upheld this as to be haram to kill somebody with no reason, is like he had given life to everybody. So you just yourself not daring to kill somebody because you know that it's not allowed to kill with no due right, that is like you have given life to somebody, to everybody. Another interpretation, some of the scholars, they said, it's like a person who is having trouble, either this trouble because of qadar, that is, for example, he's in a house, which the house is being set onto fire, and you came and helped him. Okay, it's like you have helped everybody. He gave life to everybody. Or a person wanted to transgress against another person, you wanted to kill him, and so you protected that person. It's like actually when you protected that person, you have given life to everybody. It shows you the reward of such an act. طيب. And this is as well can be seen when Allah Azza wa Jalla talks about the belying one messenger. Look at this. كذبت قوم نوح المرسلين. The people of Nuh have denounced, have belied all the prophets. And the first prophet after Adam, it was Nuh. How can it be that those who had belied did not believe in the prophet Nuh, they did not believe in all the prophets? Because it's the same. Denouncing one prophet is like denouncing what? All of the prophets. If you have killed one, it's like you have killed everyone. If you have given life to somebody, it's like you've given life to everyone. Even the people of Nuh did not see Nuh alayhi salam. Did not see the other than the Nuh alayhi salam. They only belied one prophet. But Allah made it as a statement, كَذَّبَتْ قَوْمُ نُوحٍ الْمُرْسَلِينَ. The people of Nuh have denounced all the prophets.